YouTube. Another box to unbox. Knife.
You checked the mail too?
I did not. This was sitting there on the couch there.
Ouch.
Yeah.
From when?
I don't know. It just was.
I never grabbed it. How long has it been sitting on the couch?
I don't know. I came downstairs to look
Hang on a second.
outside, and
I'm listening.
it was just on the couch. Okay. I'm going to start with the small thing. That did not work. There we go. Which this should be my earrings. It looks like everything.
Everything, what do you mean?
This should be my earrings.
Okay.
Yep. One.
So what are you still in on them, right?
No, they're right there.
Huh. Do me a favor.
6.
Go out and check the mail and put the glass thing back up against the garage door.
Okay. But yeah, these are smaller than I thought they were going to be.
What, the earrings?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still cool.
They just look good.
Yep. Came with a little pouch. Okay, let's show you. There's one pair. There. 2 pair. 3 pair. 4 pair. And it's a little hard to see with the lighting. 5th pair. Okay. Ah, there we go. Got the light right there. And the last pair. Pair number 6. Cool. And the little bag they came in, which has the brand on it, which is Aaron Scent. Okay. Now, for the part I've been waiting for. These are for training light. Okay. One Black Bear Classic training knife by Cold Steel. I got a pair of these. Here's the other one. It does have a decent amount of flex to it, but it kind of wants to stay rigid when you thrust. A little on the dusty side, but that's no biggie. And it says right on this side, can I get it? Training knife. And on the other it says Cold Steel. Oh, it also says always wear eye protection on this side, but it's super tiny. And now the other pair, which are a pair of Cold Steel leather neck SF trainers. Okay, significantly more rigid, less flex, because very thick blade. Also says training knife always wear eye protection on this side and Cold Steel on this side. And good grip on them. And of course, packing bags. I think Amazon has done away with packing peanuts for most of their things, which is environmentally good and means I don't have to deal with them. And these are just as reusable as packing peanuts. Though my family and I like to pop them to scare each other. Yeah. But I got these for martial arts training. My family and a couple friends are learning Jeet Kune Do, and one of our friends has a bit of experience with Krav Maga, I think it is. Yeah, Krav Maga. But I figured if he has the experience, we may as well get some trainers to use to learn a little Krav Maga. Definitely satisfied with these training knives. I'm making an unboxing video.
What?
Making an unboxing video.
Throwing it?
It's one of the training knives.
For throwing or holding?
For holding.
You got throwing.
No, I got training knives.
Training? What kind of training?
For knife training.
Okay. Trained to do what? Stab people? What?
I did talk to you about it before.
I thought you meant throwing knives, is what I thought you meant. You waited. Still don't understand how we could train with plastic knives.
Well, that's why I got 4.
Okay. Hand to hand? You talking about in tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and check the box and see if we got anything. Make that box disappear if you wouldn't, please, when you're done.
Oh. I gotta close out the video. Okay, so definitely satisfied with the knives. Going to actually be using them today, because today's martial arts training day for us, 1 of 3. We do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. One thing I'm noticing that definitely differs from real knives, they don't bind, which is good safety-wise, but bad realistically. Or, I guess not bad, it's just not like it would with an actual knife. And these, I believe, are actually the same size as the actual steel knives, which is great because that means I can use the saber grip on the Black Bear Classic easily enough. Bring a point, a lot of point control. And this grip on the Black Bear Classic is checkered. Let me see if I can get that in there. Checkered. It's got a bunch of little divots and rises, little pyramids. Last thing I had that had a bunch of pyramids was my machete, and they were too big. They were very aggressive, but these ones are nice in the hand. I mean, they feel nice now. I don't know if they're going to feel nice after 20 minutes of training with them. And this one has the same grip as your basic K-bar would have. It has the stacked grip look with not risers, but dividers in between the stacks, which we're going to be learning a little Krav Maga, which is a lot of use in the ice pick grip. Which I've never used before. So, I mean, this does feel like I know that this cut this way is a relatively weak cut, but I figure this cut, which is like a punch, like a hook punch, might deliver a cut that could be fatal to someone, I guess. And then the black bear, you could use it for like traditional Western Bowie style fighting. Just a lot of slashing and some stabs. Because I don't think there's stabs in Krav Maga. But stabbing like this is a strong stab. Just this one also has a swell at the tip for more safety protection, for more safety. It gets thicker at the tip, so there's less of a chance of accidentally stabbing your friend that you're training with. This one is just rounded. It does not get thicker at the tip. Slightly bent. There we go. Yep. Definitely worth the like $6 a piece they are. And thank you for watching and have a great day.